My name is Sarantuyaa Zandaryaa. I am program specialist at the International Hydrological Program in the Division of Water Sciences at UNESCO, based in Paris, France. And I'm responsible for water quality activities. Well, International Hydrological Program of UNESCO is an intergovernmental scientific program dedicated to water sciences, and we have a wide variety of activities focusing on water, and one of the topics is how climate change impacts water resources, and in terms of both quantity and quality. With regard to my activities, I specifically focus on the impact of climate change on water quality and what are the policy responses and action needed to mitigate any potential impacts. Most of the discussions in the framework of water and climate focus on water quantity of floods and droughts, while the importance of addressing the impact of climate change on the quality of water resources is often omitted from such water and climate discussions. So there will be potentially important impacts on the quality of water resources because of the changes in hydrological regimes such as floods and droughts, which will also change the pollutants load into rivers and lakes and other water bodies. Also the temperature change, such as global warming, will also change the temperature of water resources, which will change the survivability of conditions for macroorganisms, including bacteria, and this will also create, in some conditions, favorable conditions for spreading of waterborne diseases. So there will be significant impacts on the quality of water resources, which will in turn will also impact the human health as well as ecosystem health. So it is really important to include the potential impacts of climate change on the quality of water resources in the framework of climate change. So in order to bring more attention on the water quality impacts from caused by climate change, the UNESCO's International Initiative on Water Quality is promoting science and policy discussions on this particular issue. This is the second time that we are organizing science and policy discussions at COP. It's COP21 last year in Paris. We led one event which focused on climate change and on water quality. This time at COP22 here in Marrakesh, we also led the same discussion, bringing together scientists and policy makers. So we would like to provide scientific evidences of potential effects of climate change on water quality to policymakers, so that the policymakers can develop appropriate policies needed to protect the quality of water resources from impacts of climate change. Thank you.